Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show how you can do amazing pea soup with mint, yogurt, quail egg and bacon. You interested? So stay tuned.
Freaking delicious.
I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna teach you how you can do best pea soup you ever eat. You don't believe me? I'm gonna show you.
First, we start with cutting some onions. They don't need to be super fine, guys. Just try and cut the same size. We put some oil and butter in the pan, and on medium hot heat we're gonna sweat our onions. Just make sure you don't gonna get any color on them, otherwise your soup will be brown. After 5 minutes, we're gonna put 100 ml of white wine and let it reduce down. When the wine is reduced, we put chicken stock and we're gonna cook onions until they are completely soft. Now I'm gonna mix yogurt with lemon zest, lemon juice and salt, and later on I use it for my garnish. Next, I'm gonna cook some quail eggs. Boiling water for 2 minutes and then cool it down in cold water. Then you just peel them when are cold and they are ready for soup. Now I'm gonna roast some bacon. I just gonna cut few small pieces and on medium hot pan I roast them on all sides until I get nice color. And some of you guys was asking me which knife and steel I'm using, so I'm gonna leave links for them in the description down below so you can check them out. And if you like my recipes, guys, Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. And that's it. You got amazing crispy bacon. Simple but super tasty. Now it's time for my fresh piece. I just gonna peel it and blanch it in the salted boiling water for 30 seconds and then put it in cold water. Your piece get nice color and will be nice and soft. And in this time, my onions are completely cooked, and I put 250 ml of double cream and cook it for a few minutes. And the last thing, I will put my frozen peas, mint, salt, pepper and bring it to boil again. Then I put everything in the blender and blitz on maximum speed for 5 minutes. And if you wanna have your soup really smooth, I recommend to pass it through the sieve like I do. Now we got everything ready and it's time to put on the plate. We start with our crispy bacon. Then coming beautifully cooked quail egg. Few dots of lemon yogurt. Nicely blanched fresh peas. Small leaf of mint. And finish it with marigold leaves. And our amazing pea soup with mint. Enjoy, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you like what I'm doing and you wanna see more of my work or get personal cooking lessons from me, I got all the links down below so you can check them out. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.
To nie wracanie mam. Nie wiem. To nie dobry.